Elsa Mejia, a small water provider in the Philippines, catering to the urban poor and informal settlers. I am also one of the board of directors of the Philippine Water Partnership, for me, water partnership is really a learning venue and a venue for exchanging ideas on water and access to water, especially for the poor and non-informal settlers. I've been doing this work since 1997, and I have found out with my projects that it is the right of the poor to have an access to sustainable water. And there are other modalities wherein we can provide water to the poor. It's in terms of community participation. When it comes to the urban poor and the informal settlers, we must not stick to our policies, but we should also think outside of the box, wherein we can have some modalities to really provide water for them. And I found it very successful. And aside from that, the formal utilities are now willing to partner with the small water providers in addressing the need for water, and they are now very open in addressing the need of the water needs of the poor. I am very happy that I am a part of the water partnership. I learned a lot, and I can now share with others what I've learned from the partnership.
Thank you so much, Ms. Elsa.